McLaren, where you at, man? Which one you bought at? The Vic? This Gavin's, right? You made that sticker? The Gavin's Garage? He ain't paid for it yet? Cheap ass. Huh? You got that Lambo payment. He can't afford a sticker. I go follow his channel. YouTube channel, Gavin's Garage. Check him out. Just got him a new Lambo. Y'all walk around you? Nah?
Kevin's on his way. Kevin's on his way over here.
Okay. He pulling out the 720S?
Yeah. I'm sure that's where he's gonna pull.
Man.
I'm sure he's gonna pull that. You know that nigga wanna show.
Yeah.
Stop the show.
Yeah. Hey, it's some hard hitters out here though, man.
Stop that show. You gotta.
It's some hard hitters out here, bro. It really is. I don't know why I like the Lexus, the LC. I like them.
I was just telling you.
Man, let's.
Selection of cars. You gotta go ahead.
Let me get on down there, man. I need. Yeah, I'll be back. All right. Can't go wrong with the McLaren Gallardo super light, super leggera. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Viper GTS, Audi R8. Damn, I like that color on that Lambo. You would do a Lambo, that's the color to get right there. Something loud. Sick. ZL1. I still love these, man. What the heck is this? I think this is a Genesis. They done turned the Genesis into a Baja car. What else we got? I like that Hulk thing on this Charger. So y'all that came and sat down in the car, huh?
Yeah, nigga, you try that. I gotta stand up.
Look at Gavin over there. What's up, man? The Lambo getting a little attention, huh? How you liking that Lambo?
I love it.
You love it?
It definitely helps with the subscribers.
Yeah, I bet it do, man. I ain't got to that point yet, man. I can't afford one, man. I'm still poor.
I'm subscribed to your damn channel. I'm still looking for you, alright?
You still?
I'm still looking for you.
Hold on, man.
I'm still looking for you on my channel, partner.
Is that a demon? Boy, man, I ain't seen one of them in so long.
Yeah, I know, right?
Nah, they came like that. Oh, yeah, demons came like that. Shelby Cobra. I'ma still hold on to this water bottle. Hey, I'ma set it right here, Gavin, if you don't mind.
Stripe off. That's not supposed to be white.
Bro, I like the C8, man.
I would have made too many fails.
I like it. What you say, look like a Camaro from the back?
Straight Camaro, man. It's all good, though. Yeah, that's it.
God damn. Bro, you take all day, man.
Huh?
What's up, man?
What's up, boy?
God damn. Huh? Nah, you gotta go. You see what it's like a little cone or something up here. You gotta make a right here. Come on. Yeah, he trying to. Boy, got that 720S looking good. Hey, go and hit it one time, Pat. Say, go and rev it, man. Damn, man. Fab speed. Did you say touch it? Hey, after you. Huh? Yeah, go ahead. Do it.
Hell no.
Man, what's the deal, boy?
We here.
Yeah. You out here? Yeah. Live at 5. 720S launch edition. Oh, he got the same radar detector I got.
What's the passport?
Nah, that's a unit. I think mine's an R1. His might be R3. Knowing his fancy ass. Oh god damn. Oh, he want to open up the other door.
I love that interior though. The stitching, the white stitch on that color.
Man, I thought it was white, bro.
It's that hard to. So it looks gray, then it looks white.
Yeah.
Then it looks blue.
I didn't get a good look. I just thought it was white.
It's a metallic too, ain't it?
Yeah, it's got a little like pearl. Like,
Yeah,
in a way,
metallic
like,
a pearl or something.
Like
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, how much you say it's putting out?
780, 790.
Seven.
Like 786 is what the sheet said.
That's to the wheels.
To the wheels.
Goodness gracious.
Talking about close to 9.
But still,
Stage 2 is 830 to the wheels.
man. But a stock 720S, man, is like they already crazy as they come out the box.
Put down 680, 690.
Yeah.
But some dynos, depends on which one you use, it'll put down higher.
It put out, yeah.
People advertise
The numbers are different a little bit.
It's not real.
Yeah. Where the key at, Pat?
Nah, I wouldn't do it anyways.
Okay, how you started? Oh shit! Oh god damn, bruh. Hey, where the start button at? Hey, I'm lost. Look, I'm lost as hell, man. What the start button?
That big ass button in the middle that says start.
Where?
Engine start. Right there in the middle. Down, right there.
Oh god damn, bro. I'm sorry. Okay.
Hold the brake.
Okay, there it is. It's alive.
GPS connected.
Oh yeah. Let's see what she got. I like that dash layout, man. It's real simple, but it looks clean. Oh shit, okay. All right. Hey Pat, she said she gonna get an inside shot. Yeah. Ah man, chill out. What's going on, girl?